Want to grow your freelance business in 2025 without spending a cent? Here are 5 powerful AI tools that are totally free and totally worth your time. First up, Koala Writer. If you're writing blog posts, this is the fastest AI writer with built-in SEO and real-time Google data. It's like having a content strategist and a ghostwriter in one. And yes, the free plan gives you solid output to get started. Next, Pictory. This tool turns blog posts or scripts into ready-to-publish videos with stock footage, text overlays, and voiceovers. It's a game changer for YouTubers, course creators, and anyone doing content repurposing. Free plan included, just enough to test it out. If Koala Writer feels too advanced, Writer is a simpler, friendlier option. It helps you write emails, bios, product descriptions without the learning curve. Good for fast, casual content. And yes, the free plan is generous. Social media giving you a headache? Predis.ai helps you generate captions, visuals, and full post ideas with AI, even if you're not a designer. You can even schedule posts. The free plan is perfect for freelancers or side hustlers. Finally, MailerLite. It's one of the best free tools for building email lists, sending newsletters, and automating client onboarding. It's clean, intuitive, and powerful without costing you anything. All 5 tools are linked below, including the full blog post with even more free AI tools. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tell me which tool you're trying first. See you in the next one.